Hey YouTube, this is Pumpkin. I am off from work and I figured I would do a quick video. I was on here the other day, excuse my nail, I broke a nail. I'm going to get my nails done tomorrow. But I've been home since about 5:15 and I have no idea what time it is now, 6:30. I've been home and I've been planning my makeup. As you can see, I wanted to play in my Jacqueline Hill palette. This is my first time playing in it. Yeah, one of my makeup artist friends came over and she tried to steal it from me. She came over and I gave her some makeup a couple of months ago, and I had just picked this up from Ulta, and I gave her quite a few things, but she tried to steal a sister palette. But I wasn't giving it up because I had just bought it I think a week before, or maybe 3 days before, and she tried to steal it. But anyway, she was not getting it. But I wanted to come back on here because the last video I did before the one with me and my little Peanut, which is Layla. Me and my husband call her Peanut. Well, he calls her Peanut. I call her Lele. But anyway, before I did that one, I did a Sephora haul. And when I did that haul, I did a palette. And in that haul, the palette was one that I had been really wanting from the VIB sale. The Sephora Warm Palette. Sephora Pro Warm Palette. And when I got it, one of the shadows was broken. So the next day after I did the haul, I called Sephora, and I got someone on there who was very, very nice. And I told her what had happened. I said, hey, I have been waiting on this palette forever. It is really, really hot in here. I got my fan on and I got it down low because I was going to do the video, and I'm burning up. But anyway, excuse me for scratching. And I'm hot. Ooh. But anyway, y'all know how it is. It's the first time it's been in the 90s here in Maryland. But anyway, yeah, so anyway, back to the video. Yeah, I have been waiting on this palette to come back online, and when I finally got it, it was broken. It was just one shadow. But it was really? I've been waiting on this palette forever and ever. And then, whew, girl. I'm about ready to turn my fan up after the video. But anyway, when I've been waiting on it, and then after I get it, it was broken. So I was kind of disappointed. But I called the lady and I told her what had happened. And she was like, oh, no problem. We'll send it out to you, a new one. And I was like, really? I kind of knew how Sephora was, but I was really surprised. She's like, oh, no problem. I said, what do you want me to do with the other one? And she was like, oh, keep it or throw it in the trash. Of course, I'm not going to throw it in the trash because it was just one shadow. And so I was like, okay. So I got me that palette, and then they sent me out another one. And again, it is a Sephora Pro Pigment Palette Warm, and I got it yesterday. Today is Wednesday. I got it, I think, yesterday, and I got it at work because I got it sent to me at work. I was so happy because I'm like, oh, I love this palette. Because when I first got it, it was really, really gorgeous. And like I said, it was the only thing was wrong with the one shadow. I keep saying palette. One shadow was broken, but it was really pretty. And I was like, dang, I can't believe it. It's broke. So anyway, it comes in the box like this, and it comes with dimensional eyeshadow looks. So it comes with looks you can do. I guess it tells you what natural eyes, warm smoky eyes, defined eyes, and just different shadows to use, okay? So, which is pretty cool. But then, girls and guys, Then you have the palette. Okay. And if you've noticed, I don't have my wedding rings on. They are at the shop. I will have them next couple of days. I'm like feeling naked without my rings. Okay. This year will be 16 years. And I'm like, where my rings at? Told my husband. He said somebody at the shop walking around with my rings on. Don't let me find out. Anyway. Yeah. So I'm going to open it up. Let me put something over it so it won't blind y'all. So, it comes with a protective screen which has the names of the shadows. And this is what the shadows look like. This is the one that was broken on the last one. And this is what the shadows look like. Isn't that nice? I cannot wait to play in it. Can't wait, can't wait. Really nice. Yeah. So this is the Warm Sephora palette. I'm about to drop something. But it is nice. It has a really big mirror. Okay. But this here is really nice. The black is like really black. And actually, the Jaclyn Hill palette has a really nice black also. I have it on my eyes now. And yeah, this is like really nice. So yeah, I'm like loving it. I cannot wait. I might use this tomorrow when I go to work. Yeah. So it is nice. And I mean, I just really wanted to do a quick video, but they did a really good fast job. They did a 1-day delivery. Like I said, I ordered it. I think I did it on Friday, and they didn't deliver it on Saturday because I was getting it delivered to my job. And it came, I think I did it on Friday. Yeah, Friday. And it came, I did it Friday night. So it came on Tuesday. Works for me. 1 day, 2 day, whatever. But anyway, that's all I really wanted to show you. I'm going to be doing a video because I got a new impressions mirror. The one, what is it? The Touch Pro Bluetooth. Yeah, I got the big one. I got one bigger one, but I got a new one in white. I'm going to be doing a video to show you that. But not right now. So that's all I have for you right now. I just wanted to say I'm going to be trying to do more videos. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. And I will see you on my next video. Bye. Bye.